Hello, my name is Joel Henson, and I am the author of the CAD application Field Buddy, which is available on Google Play. Today I wanted to give a small introduction and tutorial regarding the app. And what you're looking at here is Paul Lawton. He is credited as the author of the software that I've been using to make this. So looks like he worked at Atari and Apple, and so his software is available on Google Play, and that's how I ended up with that. And that was, back in 2015. This was put on Google Play, and so it went through some changes, but there are still people that contribute to writing the software. Here's where you would go to look at all the different people that use it, and they post their sample programs, and people ask questions here. So this is called Tap Talk RFO Basic, and if to let you into that, it's as good as it's like a college education. So let's get to the program that I wrote. This here is this is the program in the interpreter, and it's not going to look like this for you. When you get it, it's going to be an Android platform kernel, and it will start from this point right here. So it's asking you what the extents of the drawing are, and so you're going to have to. It's like a Cartesian plane. You could be dealing in miles or feet. It's up to you, and it's all going to be just kind of arbitrary. I mean, it could be you're dealing in meters or English, and you're wanting this to be an AutoCAD file or a DGN, and so with the known distance, you're going to be able to scale this to whatever size you want it to be from the DXF file. But let's go ahead and start here. I have selected the circle, and it's a long press to where you want it, and then a long press, and you're describing how big or small the circle is. So the circle is complete, and that pops up a tool bar at the top here, and I can modify the circle with the toolbar. I can change the radius, or change where it is up at the top. Okay, so that's as good as having an undo button, I figure. So I have left an undo button off of this thing, but it might show up. An undo button might not be a bad idea. We'll see what the users think. Okay, I changed the color. Okay, do you see how it changed all the colors up at the top? Let's go ahead and let's mess with the snaps. Okay, here's the axis lock. I'm going to draw a line using the axis lock. Now it's going to be either vertical or horizontal. You see that? That's what that does. That's you want it vertical or horizontal. Let's change it to a snap lock. Well, here, let's start a line out here and change and use the snap lock. See how I'm looking for tangent, or the center of the circle, the end of the line. You see, it would even do that here. This is where the perpendicular point to this line would be. You see that one? Maybe you want to extend the line to the perpendicular, but it's going to midpoint, and these are just a list of points, and it's checking. Maybe you want them, and when you lift up on your finger, that's the point you wanted. Okay, so that's how snap lock works, and you'll be able to save these to let's save one. I'm going to call it drawing 1.jmh, and it'd probably open. If you wanted to use your initials, sure, you could do that, but I'm just I'm just offering up, maybe you want to call it JMH, which is my initials. So I just saved the file there. Let's back out and open the file. I'm running the program again. So I'm going to describe the same extents to the drawing that I had. And let's open that file. Let's see, where's that going to be? That's going to be... There it is, drawing 1. Okay, isn't that what we had? I think it was. So, yeah, that's what you can do. Let's just call it a day on the tutorial 1. And tutorial 2 is I'm getting ready to make it. Okay, so I'll see you at that one, okay?